Welcome to Toneway Academy. Toneway Academy. Welcome to Toneway Academy. Welcome to Toneway Academy, where I can teach you the strategy and you can get income passively. Welcome to Toneway Academy. Yes! Hi YouTube, my name is Toneway Santana and I am with Toneway Academy, where we teach you guys how to trade Forex so you can stunt on your ex, you feel me? Today we're going to talk about candlesticks, and I'm going to briefly just discuss what candlesticks are. I'm going to explain to you why you need them and things like that. Candlesticks basically help you read the market so you can know if the market is in an uptrend or if it's in a downtrend. So if you guys are interested in learning that, make sure you keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so the first candlestick we're going to talk about is the candlestick that will be in a bull market. So if anybody remember from the previous videos when I spoke about you can either be in a bull or a bear, right? So bull is upward, you know what I mean? And the bear is smashing something down, right? So with the bull market, all the candlesticks will pretty much be forming in an upward trend, okay? A candlestick is really important, and it's really easy to read, okay? So at the top of a candlestick, you'll see these lines, and it's pretty much just like a real candle. Just imagine have like a real candle. Candles have wicks, right? You have to light the wick and then the candle starts to burn, right? So same thing with these candlesticks, okay? You have wicks, and the wick basically shows how high or how low the market is going for that particular time, okay? So each candlestick has its own wicks. Sometimes you have candlesticks with long wicks. Sometimes candlesticks, they'll have wicks that's very short. Now with the bull candlestick, it opens from the bottom and closes at the top, because you got to remember, if it's in an upward trend, that it's going to be going up. So it has to close at the top so that it can open at the bottom, so the next one can open and start to form, and then it closes at the top, and then it opens at the bottom, and it goes up, and then it starts to form. You know what I mean? So just imagine, we have a candlestick, right? It's going up, then it closes. The next one open at the bottom, and then it go up, and then it closes at the top. Then the next one open at the bottom, and then it go up, and then it closes at the top. And the next one open at the bottom, and so on and so forth, right? So that's how you can know if it's pretty much in an uptrend or not, and you'll know if it's either a bull candlestick or you'll know if it's a bear candlestick, okay? Inside of a bull market, a bull means going up. Inside of an upward trend market, you always want to buy. You're basically saying, I bet you, I bet you 2 cents that I'm going to buy into this market, and it's going to continue to go up, right? Because it's a bull, it goes up, right? So that's how you know if it's a bull market, okay? Now we can talk about a bear market. A bear market is the exact opposite. A bear market goes downward, right? So a bear market is in a downward trend, okay? Bottom, okay? So just imagine, if the trend is going down, obviously it's going to open at the top and then go down, then close. And then it's going to open at the top, go down, then close. Open at the top, go down, then close, right? Because it's going in a downward trend, you know what I mean? So that's how you can tell the difference between a bull candlestick and a bear candlestick. Again, in a bull market, everything is going up and we're going to buy. In a bear market, everything is going down, we're going to sell. So again, say for instance, we're in a pair. Remember when I talked about a pair, guys? A pair is USD JPY, right? So we in USD JPY, and we into this little market, and we just kind of watching it. We seeing where it's going. It's jumping up and down. We're not too sure if we should sell, if we should buy. We like, we're gonna just wait a second and see until it start getting into a trend, whether it start going down or if it start going up, right? So we start seeing that it's going down. Should you buy or should you sell? You should sell. You're gonna sell. And the reason that you're going to sell is because it's in a downward trend. If you buy while the trend is in a downward, that means you're basically betting against the way that it's going. So while the trend is going down, you're betting on a buy and you're going up. Guess what? You're losing money. You see that L? Big loser. Big done. You feel me? You just lost. You probably just blew your account. You feel me? That's why you have to make sure that you know when to buy or when to sell, okay? It's not like a guessing game. It's not like a luck. I'm the most unluckiest person in the world. Like, not even being funny, like my luck is so slim to none that Well, I think my luck is getting better now. I don't know. I just really feel like I probably broke a mirror when I was 7 and had bad luck for fucking 40 years. Who knows? But yeah, so you feel me? You don't have to have luck. Again, you feel me? This is a bull market, bull going up. And then we have a bear market, bears going down, okay? So, quick quiz. If it is a bull market, is it going up or down? Bull. Bulls go up, right? Now let me ask you, are bears green or red? If it's a bear market, is it green or is it red? Is it green or is it red? Is it, don't be cheating. Is it red? Is it green? Or is it, it's red, guys. If it's a bear market, it is red. If anybody said red, please comment down below and say red, red, red. Sell, 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 okay? If you guys see a bear market, that means that it's time to sell. You jump onto a pair and you see a whole bunch of reds and you see it going in a downward trend, jump into the sell. But make sure you don't just jump into it at any time because it could always be a switch. So if you hit the bottom of the downtrend and you like, oh, I know it's about to keep going down, and you press sell and then the bank switch to flip the switch like this. I just flipped the switch. You feel me? If they flip the switch on us, guess what? You still think it's on a buy, but the banker just switched it to a up because it's been going down for so long. But when you jumped on your MetaTrader on your lunch break, it been going down the whole time. But now you on your lunch break, you're like, girl, let me go get on my MetaTrader. You jump on, you like, oh, Santana said if you see red, you need to sell. I'm about to jump into a sell, but it's at the bottom of the sell trend, and you don't know that because you haven't been watching the market for at least freaking 50 seconds or so. You don't know if it's like it's about to keep going down or not, and you just jump into a sale and then the bank flip the switch on this, boom, they flip the switch and they start going up, up, up. Guess what? You losing money. You think it's a sale, he flipped the switch and it turned into a buy. So now you losing money. So always be cautious, okay? Don't ever just jump into a trade willy-nilly. It's all about just really communicating for real, building a team, trading together. At Toneway Academy, we trade together, you feel me? Again, at the end of the day, this is Academy. That's because I'm teaching you guys this. But the original group that I was with, we called ourselves the Trap Traders because we was trapping and we was trading, you feel me? Getting money trading, it was mad easy. So I get signals from my trap traders and stuff, you feel me? They send me the signals. I teach you guys how to use the signals on Toneway Academy. So that's pretty much the end of this video, and I want to definitely send a big shout out to my boy Ken. Shout out to Ken, y'all. I also want to give a big shout out to my blood brother, Toneway Lil Cody, because me and my brother, we trade together, you feel me? So with that being said, y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the very next video.